Today we're going to be making our own scented squishy toy. Begin by drawing the outline of your gingerbread man. I chose to use a cookie cutter to help, but you can also use a printed template. Make sure you've used some kind of sponge, memory foam works best. Once you've cut it to size, you're going to start preparing your puffy paint. To make your own puffy paint mixture, just use PVA glue, acrylic paint and shaving foam. This works out much cheaper than buying puffy paint itself. If you want your gingerbread man to be lighter in colour, just add some white acrylic paint. Add some essential oils to your mixture to make your squishy smell real good. Now you want to start painting your squishy. The more layers of paint you use, the more squishier and slow rising your gingerbread will be. Just make sure you let each layer dry before you apply the next coat. For the final steps, you're just going to decorate and design the squishy how you wish. For the buttons, I'm just using some polymer clay decorations, which I will link in the description box and the comment section. I am applying a mixture of puffy paint and fabric paint for the gingerbread man's features. I use what's called a dotting tool for the smaller details, but you can use a toothpick. Now I'm done, I'm going to leave him to dry before I play with him. This gingerbread man smells so good, so do try to put in your essential oils. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make a gingerbread man yourself. Make sure to check out our website on the screen above for more DIY craft tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.